Let's draw a cute bug. First, draw the bug's head. Black. Then add antennae, 2 curly lines. Excellent! Now draw its body. Wonderful! Then draw 3 legs. And 3 more legs on the other side, so your bug can walk. Nice work! Look how cute your bug is! The word bug begins with the letter B. Write this letter and watch your bug run. Blue.